We started in 2003 with mobile document shredding. We have mobile trucks that went from business to business to destroy and recycle their sensitive documents. In 2011, we started our record retention and record management side of the business. So when we came across a nice piece of real estate, we thought it would be a nice warehouse, nice facility to purchase and then get into that business of managing records. And once we actually acquired the building and started doing our research, this warehouse we acquired was on some softer land. With the weight and the size of our racking system, we were concerned that we may have some issues with the weight.
The facility is located on the edge of a lake and was actually designed as a boat storage marina. They put all the structural integrity to the outside walls of the building and really discarded the interior center floor of the system.
The engineering of how this building was built, a typical standard racking system wasn't feasible. So Stephen and the guys had come in and engineered around the existing structure and made this racking system work for us.
We came out to survey the building and discovered that the slab would not support a traditional system. To combat that, we enlisted the help of local civil engineers, and after core samples and several site visits, we redesigned the system to float on a rail system to disperse the load. So pretty much taking it from a system that would almost be non-existent or very limited in size to a full archive system that would utilize all the square footage of the facility.
The fact that they brought in other resources and other professionals like the engineers, I was happy that they were willing to help me and provide me with other individuals and resources to make sure we were making the right decision.
They took into consideration all the safety aspects. So that's one less thing, 2-3 less things that I have to worry about.
This system was actually built in phases. They were a growing business, was concerned about the outlay of redesigning the entire facility at once. After designing the full layout, we broke that back into 4 phases and have completed 3 at this point. Every time we come back to complete a phase, we would shut down the suppression systems, move the staircases, erect the new section, and then reassemble everything. So we've done all that while Crown was continually in operation. So we work really well together with the customer.
We would have lost a lot of storage area had they not been able to manage to get around the columns, the vertical and the horizontal columns that are holding the roof up. Had we not gone in this direction, we may have run into the floor cracking on us. They had to actually build the entire system on top of I-beams to spread out the weight of the system itself.
Now that I've been with Mazzella and worked with them for about 10 years now, I feel like we've jumped over hurdles and gotten through some phases in our business cycle that are behind us, paid for, and will continue to produce revenue that will help us continue to grow in the future.